The Schick Hydro Silk Touch-Up Dermaplaning Tool is a must-have addition to any beauty routine, offering a simple yet effective way to achieve smooth, glowing skin at home. Designed to gently exfoliate and remove fine facial hair, this versatile tool is perfect for enhancing the texture and appearance of your skin. By eliminating peach fuzz and dead skin cells, the Schick Hydro Silk Touch-Up allows skincare products to penetrate deeper and makeup to apply more smoothly, leaving your complexion looking flawless. One of the standout features of this tool is its precision blade, which is sharp enough to deliver professional-level results but gentle enough for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Whether you're looking to touch up your eyebrows, smooth out small areas of your face, or improve your overall skin texture, this tool makes it quick and easy. Its slim, compact design makes it highly portable, so you can take it with you wherever you go, ensuring you're always ready for a quick touch-up. Its user-friendly design sets the Schick Hydro Silk Touch-Up apart from other dermaplaning tools. The tool is lightweight and easy to handle, making it perfect for beginners new to dermaplaning. Plus, it's reusable, with blades that can be replaced after a few uses to maintain optimal performance. In addition to its beauty benefits, the tool is also a budget-friendly alternative to professional dermaplaning treatments, offering similar results at a fraction of the cost. Whether preparing for a big event or simply maintaining your skincare routine, the Schick Hydro Silk Touch-Up Dermaplaning Tool is an excellent option for achieving smoother, healthier-looking skin with minimal effort.